I have an investment property. My neighbor's garage was on fire and burned down. My garage has been damaged from that. The fire department established that the fire started at the site. His insurance inspector was not interested in ours. We both have the same insurance company, and my damage is about $5,000, and my deductible is $5,000. Why do I have to pay this, Les?
Right. Well, you know, an insurance policy is a contract, okay? And like most homeowners policies, there are deductibles, and a deductible is an amount of money that you agree to pay up front before any insurance money is paid. So in this case, you've got a $5,000 deductible. Now, if your damages are $5,000 and your deductible is $5,000, by contract, you have to pay that money because that is the amount of money that you agreed, that you contracted with the insurance company to pay for that. Now, one thing I would caution you about before you just go and say, oh, shucks, I got to go pay this money, you're entitled to have your own independent person come out there and take a look at it. You know, the adjuster that was hired to go investigate the loss for your neighbor, he's from the same company that it also insures you. So, you know, they know they're going to be responsible for it, but you're still entitled to have your own, you know, have an attorney go out there and look at it. You know, sometimes the damage is limited to within your deductible, but sometimes there's other damages that you might not realize are there without a thorough inspection. So before you just bite the bullet and pay for the damages yourself, have somebody take a look at it for you. It might end up, you know, getting some money back.
Well, that's the other thing is, don't forget,
if you're filing it under your own policy, you have that deductible. But if you're filing it under your neighbor's policy against them,
you're making a claim against
you're making a claim. You're making a claim against your neighbor. So you know you'll have to figure that out. Sometimes that might be a good idea or a bad idea. We just don't know. I mean, it's
$5,000, $5,000.
I know. That's right. That's right. So,
but you would think the neighbor would understand as well.
But if you're going against somebody else, you don't. Even though it's the same company, you still are not bound by that deductible when you're going making a claim against somebody else's policy.